Hey guys!
This is Ral.
And Burns. Here's a peek into our life in Manila. One of the breaks we've been looking forward to is finally here. Come with us to Tagaytay to spend a peaceful Holy Week break with the family. Let's go resto hopping, bowling, and do some major reset while we reflect on the past few months of the year. Before you continue, please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you haven't yet. Let's go!
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's already 4:35 and it's a Tuesday. So we can already feel the holiday vibe and we're trying to finish some of our tasks before we leave for the Holy Week tomorrow. How are you feeling today, Mumi?
Feeling the holiday vibes na talaga. Like what you said. So, I can't wait to pack later for Tagaytay tomorrow. Last minute errands online.
So naghahabol kami ng mga ibang tasks namin para chill na lang tayo sa Holy Week. And guys, can you also feel the summer heat? Sobrang init na ngayon. Kahit maupo ka lang ang walang ginagawa, pinagpapawisan kami ni Mumi.
Wala, kailangan talagang AC kahit 1 hour lang para lumamig yung room ulit. Tapos, todo close lahat ng windows and all to keep the cold air there.
We need to regulate our body temperature or else mag-overheat talaga kami. Also, nag-hydrate kami from time to time.
Yes guys, stay hydrated para hindi kayo mahimatay. Okay, so magpapack na kami in a bit and i-prepare din namin yung mga gamit ni Molly and yung food niya for the pet hotel kasi hindi siya kasama sa amin. Bawal siya dun sa house.
Sad.
Ang really small. It's like 4 days too long. But it's okay. At least meron siyang playmates na bago sa hotel. You know, and look forward niya.
Yeah. We're also looking forward for our plans this Holy Week. Yeah, excited din kami mag-holiday break.
Yes! So, we're gonna try new activities there sa Tagaytay. And you're gonna come along with us. Sa mga bago. Let's go. Sana hindi masyado maraming tao. Kasi yun yung iniisip namin pag Holy Week. Baka maraming tao. Hopefully, wala. Sana nagtatago lang din sila sa house.
Okay, let's pack now.
Ano ba? Hey guys, it's already the Holy Week and we just dropped off the babies and we're off to Tagaytay Highlands. Mom is here, we're complete and puno ang aming car. Kasi 4 days kami doon until Easter Sunday. So, let's go! Hey guys! We're finally here in Tagaytay. We arrived around 2 p.m. but it's already 4:15 p.m. Nag-ano lang kami, nag-unload ng gamit and nag-relax kasi medyo nakakapagod. Lalo na yung init, sobrang nakakahilo. Kaya nagpapalamig lang muna kami ngayon. We're actually going to Country Club to buy some gelato. Ganun siya kainit. Kailangan namin ng ice cream.
But earlier, we dropped by 7-Eleven to buy stuff and ice cream kasi sobrang init na yung katawan ko. As I've mentioned before, I'm training for a 10K marathon and sobrang init ng body ko after ng training palagi. So, nag-crave talaga ako ng malamig. And I ate 2 ice creams pero parang hindi ko na-feel yung lamig ng ice cream. So, gelato tayo mamaya.
Excited ako for gelato kasi tagal ko lang hindi nag-gelato. So let's go! Let's get some gelato. Kasama namin si Mom and si Tita Blinks. And si Dre! Yay! And Dex. So we'll be there. Complete kami later.
Hi, I'm Pat.
Hi, I'm Ola.
And together we're Pat.
Ola.
Pag magtatas ko,
Good job.
Oh, ano?
With shades.
Love it. Go share. Oy, napunta sa...
Hola.
Hey guys, update. It's already 5:19 and we're here now at Amare. We're eating now gelato. Anong in-order mo gelato?
Nutella.
I ordered pistachio and affogato with vanilla ice cream. Ice cream, vanilla gelato pala. So kanina, gumawa pala ng pizza si Dex and Dre. Sobrang enjoy sila kanina. Pero super sarap pala ng pizza dito sa Amare.
Tsaka lasang-lasa mo lahat ng ingredients nila. Super sarap.
Perfect din siya sa honey and chili flakes kasi nagbabalance yung flavor. So interview natin si Dex and Dre. Anong feeling ng paggawa ng pizza nila kanina?
Okay, so ano na feel mo kanina? Habang minamasa natin yung... May mga na-miss ka ba?
This is a PG-13.
Hindi, na-miss. Di ba, nagluluto ka before? Don't start with me, Dre.
No, don't start with me.
Nagluluto ka dati. Kaya sinasabi ko sa'yo, na-miss.
No.
No. Okay, it was so amazing. The experience was so amazing. Sobrang patient ni Kuya. Sobrang patient niya kasi kahit na naglalaro lang kami dalawa.
Tapos nabutas na yung crust. So,
Wow.
yung dough pala. Nabutas na
Wow.
yung dough.
Kahit ikaw una yung humawak doon.
Oh. Hindi ko binulas
Nagsisihan na.
Nagsisihan na. Excuse me.
Okay.
I flipped, what do you call it? Tapos,
Yan.
I
Kaya
thought-
nabutas eh.
I tossed the pizza perfectly. And then, nung dumating kay Dex,
So, sinasabi mo, ako yung nanira. Hindi. Gusto kong dito kasi open forum dito. Yes. Kaya kami patola. Exactly. That's why. Hi, I'm Pat.
hi, I'm Ola.
And together we're
Patola.
Hey guys, it's almost 7 p.m. We're back home from Amare. We had our late lunch and early dinner there. Medyo mabigat na yung kinain namin. We had pizza and gelato. Kasi si Dre nagka-crave ng pizza, Tita Pinks naman nagka-crave ng gelato. Naki-dry na rin kami kasi ang init nga, di ba? So, nag-gelato na kami. Sarap!
I also tried affogato and nagustuhan ko talaga yung vanilla gelato nila. Kaya, mabaligan ko yun for sure.
Tomorrow.
It's one of the best affogato na na-try ko. And hindi nga ako nakakain ng pizza kasi medyo busog na ako dahil nag-ice cream na ako earlier. Sobrang puro dairy on dairy tayo kaya umiwas muna sa pizza. But we're planning to eat again tomorrow sa Amare.
Yes. Nagpa-reserve na kami at 4:30 p.m. And meron na rin kami pre-order na pasta and pizza.
Woohoo!
Adik lang. So, ito try namin yung volcano pizza, alam mo dun. So, it's like a pizza na may Nutella sa gitna and bananas overload. Tapos ididip mo siya doon sa Nutella.
Sabi nung server nung bago lang daw yung volcano pizza. We tried the Nutella
Try na.
pizza before pero ito meron na siyang banana and naka-volcano shape yung Nutella sauce. Kaya can't wait.
So, yan. Yun yung mga tatry natin tomorrow. So, see you guys tomorrow. We have a whole day planned tomorrow.
Woo, can't wait! It's already 2 p.m. and we're about to eat our late lunch. So we're having chop suey and caldereta for today's lunch.
Give me my potatoes. Ayaw mo ng patatas.
Yeah. Ang init. Ang init. Time check, it's already 6 p.m. and we're back here at the country club. We just ate at Amare again. Never-ending Amare cravings. So we ordered a different dish na this time. And na-try namin yung pesto pasta,
Super sarap.
meatballs, at saka we also ordered again yung Nutella pizza. Hindi na kami nag-vlog kanina pero nasarapan kami sobra sa food.
Super sarap ng orders namin and sulit. Buti na lang, I went for the meatballs kasi gusto niya yung calamari. Anyway, so, kwento muna kami yung mga nangyari the past 2 days. So, nung Thursday, we went bowling with Tita Plinks and the gang. Super nag-enjoy kami dun. First time Tita Plinks nag-bowling and kami, it's been a while na nag-bowling kami dito sa sports center and na-miss lang namin kasi medyo nabitin kami dun sa sports fest. So, in-invite namin sila to go bowling. Super saya!
Yeah, we had so much fun the other day kasi first time ko rin makalaro si Tinang Plinks and Mama Pai.
Tsaka sila Dex.
Si Mama Pai, hindi ko na-expect magbo-bowling. Talagang mas magaling pa sa akin, mas mataas sa score niya kasi sa akin.
In fairness, ang tataas ng scores nila. Medyo nakulerat kami dun, pero galing.
Yes.
Enjoy talaga.
After the bowling, we went to Amare
Mari ulit.
to eat early dinner. And we pre-ordered some pizza and pasta.
So we ordered Alvin's pizza, but instead of the usual prosciutto, we had it replaced with more arugula.
Pina-customize kasi isang pizza from Alvin's na ginawang customized more on the burrata cheese and arugula with pesto-based sauce. Kaya mas masarap siya. And then, perfect pair siya with the aglio olio.
Yes.
Kasi yung nila pasta dito, kahit anong order ng pasta namin, ang sarap ng pagkaka-al dente talaga.
And then, we also ordered truffle pizza and the aglio olio. Super sarap ng aglio olio nila. Grabe. As in, ang authentic and al dente ng pasta. So, no fail naman sila sa pasta and pizza. Very consistent. Like, the pasta na in-order namin kanina, al dente din. Kahit iba yung type ng spaghetti niya.
Yeah.
The pasta, ang sarap. Oh my gosh. And then, for dessert, we had the volcano pizza a la mode. So, it has Nutella in the middle and then banana sa side and then pizza crust. So, yun medyo so-so lang.
Yeah. Nakita ba namin yung process kung paano ginawa yung volcano pizza? They formed a parang crater sa gitna nung pizza dough.
Parang taal.
Yeah, may cone na sa gitna and then they bake the pizza dough tapos tsaka nila tinoppings with the bananas all over. Then nilagyan nila ng Nutella sa gitna tapos binalik nila sa brick oven.
Good to try once. And then meron din siyang gelato on the side. Ang sarap ng gelato nila sa Amare, guys. Super, ang ganda ng, ang sarap ng flavors. Na perfect nila yung vanilla. sarap ng vanilla. Super nipis ng crust.
Yes.
So, ang sarap. Masarap naman, pero mas gusto namin yung Nutella pizza. And then yesterday, Good Friday, sobrang init yesterday. Nahilo kami sa init tsaka liwanag ng araw. So, after that, when we went home, talagang knock-out kami sa pagod, sa init, sa hilo. Kaya, nagstay na lang kami sa house.
It's a rest day for us yesterday.
Nag-nap kami and talagang rest. And today, last day na, ayaw namin sayangin. So, umalis kami around 4:30 sa house kasi hindi talaga namin kaya ng maaga na. Super init. So, yeah. We went on a date here in Country Club naman. So, that's it. Mag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Country Club para magpatunaw ng konti. And then, babalik na kami sa house for movie night.
Okay, see you guys.
Okay,
Back
see you
home.
guys.
Sobrang busog.
Sobrang busog.
Parang hindi ko dapat inubos yung Nutella pizza kanina.
Sure, kunyari ka
So, konti maki, pero
Gusto mo naman
busog na mi.
So, how did you like our date tonight?
Nabusog na naman tayo.
As always,
That's the important thing.
never ending.
I've been to Mount Fuji, I think.
Bago mo eh. Jewel.